Hey guys, here Conrad with a 2014 Chevy Silverado, 104,000 miles. Originally came in for a misfire. As of right now, you can see with it running, it has maybe still a stumble. I am gonna suggest fuel induction cleaning, but from what it was prior, I mean, it was shaking. The customer did say he did his own spark plugs and wires, so I did go towards, let me show you my gallery, the screenshots that we have here prior. This is what it looked like prior. It was constantly, wasn't any code, system normal, but it was just jumping, flopping around, and you could feel the idle drop. So as of right now, it's definitely night and day difference, you can see. So it's been running 2 counts on cylinder 3, number 8 is cleaned up, number 5 had about 2 counts. So the wire basically just wasn't clipped in on number 8. It wasn't snugged all the way. So it's definitely a hard one to get at. So number 8 is all the way at the firewall backside here. So just clipped it in, pushed it in, and solved this problem. So definitely still gonna suggest fuel induction cleaning.